Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Can you believe it's been a month since I got my last BoxyCharm? And you guessed it right, it's time to open another BoxyCharm. So let's get right to it. So I got my box right here and it's a little bit of a different shape than what I usually get. So let's get right to it. Ooh, okay, Glam Glow. So right off the bat I see like a Glam Glow daily conditioning cleanser. Looks like that's why the box is in a different shape to fit that in. So I'm gonna pull this value card first and see what's that. And it says make waves. So I'm guessing it's like a beachy kind of theme. So let's go right in. Like I said, first thing is Glam Glow cleanser. So let's see. This is actually a big size. This is 5 ounces. And I kind of want to open it really quickly. And there you have it. This is what it looks like right here out of the box. And it's pretty big size, and I know Glam Glow makes really good skincare products, so I'm looking forward to using this. I actually needed a cleanser, so I'm so happy that I got this and I can't wait to try this out. So that's the first item, and this Glam Glow is $28, and this alone pays for your entire box. Okay, next thing I see is this eyelash curler, and I really like this color, and it's by Pure. I don't have one of these, and I'm excited to use this. And let's see how much it is. The Pure curler is $18. Next, I have Eye Luster Cream Shadow. Okay, wow. This is a nice, like a silver white snow color. I really like this. This is something, I would wear something that if I'm going out or something. Wearing something like this in gold on my eyes right now, so this is really cool. Definitely gonna be using this, so I'm excited about that. This eyeshadow is $22, and like I said, this pays for the box alone. It goes perfect with the eyeshadow, perfect lips. I got Dose of Color, and I think it's a lipstick. Let's open it up. Ooh, look at this color. I like that. So pretty. I like this. This is very, it's not like a red, it's like more of a coral red color. It's like a liquid matte lipstick. You know what? It says Coral Crush. Alright, so this Dose of Color is $18. Last but not least, the last item I have is a Blush Trio by LMR. I really hope they send me something that's my color. You know, BoxyCharm actually has a customizable option where you can pick your own colors and stuff too. So I feel that these are too dark for my cheeks, maybe just this one. But what I'm going to do with them is use them as eyeshadow. So instead of using on my cheeks, I will use it on my eyelids. So that would work. And this trio is $22. So overall, I like the cleanser. I'm definitely going to be using that. I love the lipstick color and I like the eyeshadow. So overall, I like the box. Tell me which one was your favorite. Mine was Dose of Color lipstick, and I love the color. It's so pretty, so I can't wait to wear that. Like I said, just one product in your box pays for the entire box. So again, if you guys want to try it, I'm going to leave the link down in the description. Check it out. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.